हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लेट्स स्टडी में आपका स्वागत। टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल्स बेस्ड ऑन वेरिएशन इन रिलीफ, रॉक टाइप, क्लाइमेट एंड नेचुरल वेजिटेशन, इंडिया में बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 6 सॉइल टाइप: एलुवियल सॉइल, ब्लैक सॉइल, रेड सॉइल, लैटराइट सॉइल, डेजर्ट सॉइल एंड माउंटेन सॉइल। दैट मीन्स इंडिया में 6 टाइप ऑफ सॉइल पाई जाती है: एलुवियल सॉइल, ब्लैक सॉइल, रेड सॉइल, लैटराइट सॉइल, डेजर्ट सॉइल एंड माउंटेन सॉइल. Alluvial soil, these are principal soil of India. Alluvial soils are of 3 types. Means alluvial soil 3 types का होता है. एक है riverine soil, coastal soil and peat और organic soil. riverine soil composition है, इसका characteristics है और भी 2 पॉइंट्स है: crop association, regional distributions. तो एक एक करके पॉइंट सारे पढ़ेंगे. तो पहला है composition. Riverine alluvial soil is composed of sand, silt and clay. A characteristics है, this type of soil is formed by the deposition of silt, sand and clay in the river valley. These are of 2 types. Number 1 is new alluvium or khadar, which is deposited on the floodplains and near the river bank. It is fine textured and acid. Second number point is the soil is grey in color. It contains less amount of lime, humus and phosphorus. Third number point is old alluvium or bhangar is found in old floodplains located away from the river. It is calcareous and coarse grained. Its water retaining capacity is low and its color is dark. Next point is crop association. Alluvial soils favor the cultivation of rice, jute, wheat, cotton, oilseed, sugarcane, jute, millet, pulse, tobacco and vegetables. Next is regional distribution. River valley of Ganga, Indus and Brahmaputra. Coastal alluvial soil, इसमें 4 पॉइंट्स है: composition, characteristics, crop association और regional distribution. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है कॉम्पोजिशन. तो कॉम्पोजिशन में है दिस टाइप ऑफ सॉइल इज रिच इन ओसनिक, सिल्ट, सैंड एंड सॉल्ट. ये ज़्यादातर ये सॉइल ओसनिक, सिल्ट, सैंड एंड सॉल्ट में पाई जाती है. सेकेंड पॉइंट है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. कोस्टल एलुवियल सॉइल इज लाइट ग्रे इन कलर. मीन्स कोस्टल एलुवियल सॉइल जो है वो लाइट ग्रे कलर का होता है. इट इज़ कोर्स ग्रेन्ड. द सॉइल इज रिच इन सोडियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम. It is moderately fertile. So next point is crop association. Paddy, coconut, areca nut, green chili grow well. Regional distribution. Coastal soil is found in the east and west coastal plain of India, especially in Sundarban in West Bengal, where mangroves vegetation grows well. That means coastal soil इंडिया के ईस्ट और वेस्ट कोस्टल प्लेन में ज़्यादातर पाए जाते हैं, और स्पेशली वेस्ट बंगाल के सुंदरबन में जहाँ मैनग्रोव्स वेजिटेशन अच्छे से ग्रो होता है. पीट और ऑर्गेनिक सॉइल कंपोजिशन. दिस टाइप ऑफ सॉइल इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ सिल्ट, सैंड, क्ले मिक्स्ड विथ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स: डार्क ग्रे कलर. द सॉइल इज कोर्स ग्रेन्ड एंड पोरस. इट इज रिच इन सिलिका. Regional distribution. It is found in Kerala and Terai in Uttar Pradesh. Black soil. This is the second important soil of India. Composition. It is composed of clay and silt. Sand is less in amount. Characteristics. It is produced from lava rock, basalt. Its color is black. It is fine textured. The soil is rich in calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, iron, aluminum, etc. Its water retaining capacity is high. It is popularly known as rigur. It favors cotton cultivation and hence it is known as black cotton soil. It is fertile. Crop association. Cotton, rice, onion, oilseed, oranges, grapes and vegetables are well grown. Regional distribution. Black soil is found in Deccan Trap, especially Maharashtra, southern part of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, northern part of Karnataka, Telangana and northern part of Tamil Nadu. Next is red soil. This is the third important soil of India. Composition. Red soil is rich in sand and clay particles like kaolinite. Characteristics: it is originated from disintegrated ancient igneous and metamorphic rocks like granite. Genus: its color is red as it is rich in iron. Its water retaining capacity is poor. The soil is rich in potassium and phosphorate. It is coarse grained as the soil is sandy. Crop association: millet, especially ragi, rice, tobacco, groundnut, potato and vegetable grow well in red soil. Regional distribution: red soil is found in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha in Deccan Plateau, Jharkhand in Chota Nagpur Plateau, northeastern mountains region and in Meghalaya Plateau. Laterite soil: this is the fourth important soil of India. Composition: laterite is rich in iron and aluminum oxides and contains less amount of organic matter and silica. Characteristics: the soil is red in color due to presence of iron. The word laterite is derived from Latin word later meaning bricks. These rocks are washed out through leaching process by rainwater, leaving a high proportion of iron and aluminum as residue. They are coarse-grained and acidic in nature. They are poor in plant nutrition and cannot retain moisture, so they are infertile. Crop association: rubber, tea, coffee, corn, cashew nut and rice grow in laterite soil only with the application of irrigation. Regional distribution: laterite soil is found in Western Ghat, Nilgiri, Cardamom and Eastern Ghat hilly region of Odisha, Jharkhand in Chota Nagpur Plateau and in Meghalaya Plateau. Desert soil. Composition: the soil is sandy due to absence of vegetation. The soil is devoid of organic matter. Characteristics: it is grey in color. The soil is rich in minerals like quartz, feldspar, hornblende, phosphorate, etc., but poor in nitrogen. Desert soil is known as xerism. Crop association: with help of irrigation through Rajasthan Canal, crops like cotton, jowar, sugarcane, oilseeds, wheat are grown abundantly. Regional distribution: desert soil is found in Rajasthan desert and in northern part of Kathiawar and Kutch of Gujarat. Mountain soil. Composition: it is rich in stones, clay and humus. Characteristics: due to the slope of land, the soil is shallow. Its color is greyish brown. The soil is poor in potash, phosphorus and lime but rich in nitrogen and organic matter. The soil is fine grained. Its water retaining capacity is medium. On the upper part of the mountain, the soil is acidic podzol type and in the lower part brown cashew nut soil is found. Crop association: rubber, tea, coffee, spices, fruits grow well in this soil. Regional distribution: the soil is found in West and East Himalayas, Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat and Cardamom Hills. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए।